Hi, Nana. What are you doing, you silly girl? Are you wearing Mommy's headband?
Ben?
Are you a princess?
No, fish.
Can you sing Somewhere Out There?
Up there.
You can't sing? How about Jesus Loves Me?
No.
No? Okay, fine.
Yes. I said no.
Gianna, you be nice.
Jesus loves me.
Yes, Jesus loves me, this I know. No, Gianna, leave it alone. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing?
No.
No sing?
Oh,
Are you going to throw a tantrum?
no.
Looks like it.
Oh.
Nana, can you smile and say cheese?
No.
You little diva.
Don't cheese anymore.